Hey, what's going on, everyone? Have you ever had this situation where you're trying to go to an article and look at what people think about it and see there's no comment section, or when Apple is doing their event and on YouTube the comment is disabled? Well, that's quite frustrating. So I've built a tool to help with that, and I'll give you guys a demo. Uh, for example, you're on this website, super cool article. You come, there's no comment section. So what you do is you install the Chrome extension. Here you will put your email address. When you click on next, it's going to verify if you have an account already or not. And if you don't have an account, it gives you the option of sending a verification code. So now this is what the section is going to look like. You have your section to put your verification code, your name, and choose a password. So this is what your verification email is going to look like, just a basic code that you're going to put in. And when you put your name and your password, you're going to be logged in already. Your details is on the top. And then here, you can just come and comment what you want. You have the website and just to make a test. And currently I put an option where users are anonymized. Maybe I'll change that later. You have the option to, of course, delete the comment as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, if you want to look at the code itself, I'll put the link in the comment section as well. But this is pretty much it. You can go read the documentation, but from the architecture standpoint, you have the Chrome extension who talks to a backend in Rust with GraphQL API, and you are talking to a Redis cache for retrieval of the information, and you have Postgres as a Docker for storage, and I've added the options for sharding as well. Now here in the quick start, I'm showing how to set up for development, but here you can go actually to the docs. You have a full documentation on development on the architecture itself. So here is the example that I was giving, a client from the web browser going to the GraphQL backend with SMTP server there, and then you have your Postgres and your Redis, and your backend does the authentication service as well, all built in. And for the browser, you have your content script, your background service, and your sidebar UI. I have the component section as well, all explained. You have the backend service explained through HTTP request, the database architecture. I think this I need to complete it a little bit more. And this is from the security architecture. So you have your browser extension that talks with a JWT over HTTP with your Rust backend. And on the security layer, I have implemented your content policy, your CRS protection, your password hashing, your email verification, and there's a rate limit so people cannot spam a website. And for the JWT validation, we have the authorization and the user context, and the development environment. And for the production environment, it's going to be with Kubernetes cluster. So you just have a Chrome extension that you serve to a client. You have your load balancer with Ingress, and it's pretty easy to integrate Prometheus or Grafana, with your API on the Rust level, and your Redis, of course, is going to talk to the API, but you have your Postgres saving to a persistent storage. So that's about it. If you have any questions, you can let me know.